ఆస్ట్రేలియా మెల్బోర్న్ నగరంలో ప్రధాని మోదీ ప్రవాస భారతీయులతో సమావేశమయ్యారు. మోదీ గౌరవార్థం సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు అక్కడ అలరించాయి. ప్రధాని మోదీకి ఆస్ట్రేలియా ప్రధాని అల్బనీస్ ఘన స్వాగతం పలికారు. మెల్బోర్న్ మీట్స్ మోదీ కార్యక్రమానికి 30,000 మంది హాజరయ్యారు.
Melbourne has hosted some big visits. This one is next level. Nearly 30,000 people filling a stadium. This is a statement about the strength and energy of India. A statement about the diversity of our community and a statement about the economic future that Victoria and India are building together. Prime Minister, when I became Premier, I determined that my first overseas trip would be to India. And I went on that trip in 2024 and I brought a few things home with me. 2,000 jobs in partnership with Indian companies, an international kabaddi match, a new deal for Indian international students and a deep respect for India and its people and their ambition. My family will also tell you I brought home a love of yoga and I've got a 600-day streak to show for it. Prime Minister Modi, I do invite you to take this message back home with you to India. Victoria respects India. We value your people. We welcome your students, your businesses, your families, your ideas. In Victoria, the Indian community is not just accepted, they are part of who we are. India is not just a country we trade with, it is a country we trust. And let me say this to Victoria's great, strong Indian community who are here tonight. You are welcome here. Your children never have to choose between being proudly Indian and proudly Victorian, because in this state you can be both. And here in Victoria, you can be whoever you want to be, yet stay who you are. Prime Minister Modi, thank you. Thank you for honouring Melbourne and Victoria with your visit. Thank you. And Prime Minister Albanese, thank you for your leadership, which has strengthened Australia's relationship with the world's biggest democracy. It is now my pleasure to welcome my friend, the Prime Minister of Australia, the Honourable Anthony Albanese.
Well, thank you so much, Jacinta. And I begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, and I pay my respect to elders, past, present and emerging. Prime Minister Modi, my friend, welcome to marvellous Melbourne. As a true friend of Australia and a very dear friend of mine, it is an honour to host you this evening. And I also welcome each and every one of you out there in the stands. Over the years, this stadium has seen some loud and legendary events, and none more significant than this. The energy that we feel in here tonight defines the Australia-India partnership. It is an enthusiasm and a dynamism that drives the positivity and promise of our two nations and peoples. As Prime Minister, I have twice had the great privilege of visiting India, and each time I've been bowled over by the beauty and vibrancy of the land, and humbled by the generosity and warmth of its people. When Prime Minister Modi hosted me 3 years ago, we did a lap of Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium in a chariot. Now, that was an experience I will never forget. And I can say without a shadow of a doubt, the depth of affection that I felt between our two peoples in Gujarat in 2023 is just as palpable and present tonight among this incredible beaming crowd. It is a warmth I have known since well before I became Prime Minister of Australia. My first trip to India was as a backpacker in 1991. I spent 6 weeks backpacking around India, which was a fantastic experience. I learned there something very simple and clear that I have communicated to my fellow Australians. If you want to understand India, get on a train. Wherever I went, I ate delicious food and I was told wonderful stories. And I was welcomed into the homes of people I met, into the richness and depth of Indian culture. On this stage, all these years later, it is such a privilege to have the chance to extend our own Australian hospitality to Prime Minister Modi. Because this evening, we all come together to celebrate the bond that unites our two peoples, two great democracies, two great multicultural societies, the mutual respect that we share, the strength of our friendship, and the profound contribution to our great nation of the more than 1 million Australians who trace their roots proudly back to India. Your generosity of spirit shines through in every way. In times of trouble or national crisis, I have told Prime Minister Modi this in private before many times, but today I say it publicly as well. It is the Australian Indian community who are the first to volunteer their help and to lend a hand to their fellow community members. It is a generosity that extends to building the prosperity of our nation too, whether through boosting skills in critical industries like healthcare and IT, growing Australia's dynamic small business sector, or the contribution that so many students from India make when they choose Australia as their destination to invest in themselves and their education. And that is especially true here in the education state of Victoria. It is, of course, an exchange of educational enrichment that runs both ways, because it was Deakin University, based here in Victoria, that became the first foreign university to open a campus in India. And I'm proud to say it was the first of many. Friends, over generations, your commitment to Australian and aspiration and your love of this country has made it better, stronger and more vibrant. Australians of all backgrounds have been enriched by bringing your culture here and adding it to our multicultural character. We're a better nation because we have you in it. You are the living bridge between Australia and India. So thank you for being here this evening, and please join with me in welcoming my friend, Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, and I pay my respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging. वणक्कम मेलबर्न, नमस्कार माइट्स, कैसे हैं आप? केम छो? ये शो हाउसफुल है, ब्लॉकबस्टर है। मैं अपना भाषण शुरू करूं इससे पहले विक्टोरिया के प्रीमियम और मेरे मित्र प्रधानमंत्री जी के सम्मान में आप सब अपने मोबाइल फोन की फ्लैश लाइट बजा के इनको सम्मानित कीजिए। इनके सम्मान में साथियों, इससे पहले मैं 2 बार सिडनी में आप सबसे मिला था। मेलबर्न वालों से मिलने का मुझे भी इंतजार था, इसलिए सोचा इस बार मेलबर्न वालों के साथ फ्लैट वाइट कॉफी पीता हूं। साथियों, जिस एनर्जी से आप सभी ने, हमारे ओसी फ्रेंड्स ने हम सभी को वेलकम किया है, वो और भी अमेजिंग है। मेलबर्न ने एक तरह से मैदान मार लिया है। साथियों, मैं मेरे मित्र, भारत के मित्र प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंथनी अल्बनीसी का भी बहुत आभारी हूं। आप सिडनी में भी साथ थे और आज यहां मेलबर्न में भी भारतीय कम्युनिटी के बीच आए हैं और ये एक प्रकार से फुल सर्कल हो गया है। अहमदाबाद, जहां दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है, और मेलबर्न, जहां आइकॉनिक स्टेडियम है, हम दोनों साथ रहे हैं। और साथियों, हम सभी ने देखा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर अल्बनीज़ी जब बोलते हैं तो भारतीयों के दिल और दिमाग में छा जाते हैं। सिडनी में भी आपने धूम मचाई थी और यहां भी आप छा गए। मैं विक्टोरिया की प्रीमियर का भी उनके ऊर्जा भरे शब्दों के लिए, भारत के प्रति इतने स्नेह से उन्होंने जो कहा, उसके लिए उनका भी हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। साथियों, मैं जब साल 2014 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया आया था तो 28 साल के बाद भारत का कोई पीएम यहां पहुंचा था। और आप याद कीजिए, तब मैंने कहा था कि अब आपको 28 साल इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा। पिछले 12 वर्षों में मैं तीसरी बार यहां आया हूं। यानी इस बार हैट्रिक लगी है। ये दिखाता है कि भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के रिश्ते किस ऊंचाई पर है। और जानते हैं, इसमें सबसे बड़ी भूमिका किसकी है? मोदी की नहीं, इसमें आप सभी साथियों की भूमिका है। इंडियन डायस्पोरा की भूमिका है। साथियों, कहते हैं कि मेलबर्न शहर एक दिन में ही 4 सीजन के दर्शन करा देता है। लेकिन भारतीय समुदाय ने अपने कल्चरल कलर से इसको और वाइब्रेंट बना दिया है। यहां मेलबर्न में और आसपास काफी ऐसे स्थान हैं, ऐसे मार्केट्स हैं जो भारतीयता के रंग से भरे हैं। कोई इन्हें लिटिल इंडिया कहता है, कोई मिनी इंडिया कहता है। नाम जो भी हो, लेकिन रंग भारतीयता से भरे हुए हैं। ऐसे ही एक मार्केट का वीडियो किसी ने मुझे दिखाया। वीडियो में बता रहे थे कि वहां खूब सेल चलती रहती है। इस सेल के चक्कर में लोग गनचक्कर बन जाते हैं। शॉपिंग का मूड न भी हो तो भी खरीदारी करनी ही पड़ती है। मैं सही कह रहा हूं ना? सेल का आकर्षण होता है ना? साथियों, आप में से कई साथी फर्स्ट टाइम ऑस्ट्रेलिया आए और कईयों का जन्म भी यही हुआ। पीढ़ियां बदल गई, लेकिन भीतर की भारतीयता हमेशा हमेशा जिंदा रही। यहां कई सारे साथी ऐसे होंगे जिनके घर में कम से कम 2 टाइम जोन चलते हैं। यहां बच्चे स्कूल से घर ऑस्ट्रेलियन टाइम के हिसाब से आते हैं, लेकिन भारत में दादा दादी, नाना नानी वीडियो कॉल पर इंतजार कर रहे होते हैं। यहां वीकेंड होता है तो भारत में किसी शादी की लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग चल रही होती है। यानी दूरी हजारों किलोमीटर की है, लेकिन डेली रूटीन आज भी भारत से जुड़ा हुआ है। और इस रूटीन के साथ आप सभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के विकास में पूरी शक्ति से जुटे हुए हैं। मुझे आप सब पर गर्व है। साथियों, हम भारतीय ऐसे ही हैं जैसे दूध में चीनी मिल जाती है।